Friends, in this lecture we'll learn about sorting. Sorting is a method in which we can arrange a particular data in a required format, maybe low to high or high to low, or in alphabetical order or in reverse alphabetical order or similar manner. On the screen you can see we are having four types of data: time, date, numbers and characters. Let us try to understand how sorting can be done. We can click anywhere in the first cell in the time and we'll see how we can sort it. Click anywhere inside the time and you see there are two options. One is in a data tab, we are having a sort and filter group, and these are the three sorting icons. Along with that, in the home tab there is a editing group. In an editing group we are having sort and filter, and in their options there are these three options are again available as we have seen in the data group. So we'll follow the data group because that is more convenient and give you a better control. So after clicking in there, we need to have whether we want to have a small to large or large to small. That means we will have a earlier time on the top or the last time on the top. And similarly, that gives A to Z in alphabetical order. If I click on A to Z, we see 2 past 2 a.m. that is the smallest time and that is on the top, and 39 past 10 p.m. that is in the lowest, and that is the highest time and that is on the last. If I want to reverse it, I can click on Z2A and it happened. Moreover, the important thing that you can note down is the top row where time is given. Excel automatically identifies the top row as the heading and it do not work on it in while sorting. It considered it different from sorting. It considered as the heading of the rest of the data. Similarly, let us try it in data. In date, now you see there is a red color cell, and this will help us identify to see whether data is moving from one place to other or not. And let us the earlier date on the top and the later date on the last. That means we want to sort from low to high or oldest to newest, and let us click on A to Z. When we click on the 16 January 2011 is the earliest date and 19th May 2024 is the last date. You see red color was on the center earlier. Let us see Control Z. It was on the center, and when we sort A to Z, it moves to the last. 2024 has yet to come, so it is on the last. Now let us do the similar on the number, the smallest number on the top and the largest number on the bottom, and we click A to Z or A to Z here, and you see the smallest number on the top minus 4092 is the smallest and 4563 is the largest. Let us try to do this similar in the characters and see what happens. When we click in here in A to Z, you see the character is on the top is also a character type of a data and all others are characters, so it gets also included in the sorting, and it is C is the third, then small a, then capital A, then small c, then capital C. It moves to the third position. Let us Control Z undo. What we will do is to differentiate it from others. Let us fill it with a color. Let us say we'll fill it this cell with a yellow color, and let us try again sorting on this. We go to data and click on A to Z. Now when it is different color, it identifies that this is quite distinct from the other cells and can be treated as a header cell. This Excel did automatically and it sorts the other data.